Welcome to the Cooking Channel. This is going to be our first of our egg series. I told y'all a dozen eggs comes with 12 eggs. And I'm going to show you 12 egg recipes over the next few videos. And every time I'm going to show you a new recipe of a way you can cook eggs. Today we're going to do devil eggs. And we're going to do devil eggs today. And this is going to be with a twist. Some people might like the one way, one people like the other way. But we're going to use 12 eggs. You're going to need some bacon. You're going to need shrimp. You're going to need butter, Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, mustard, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, and jalapenos, and pimientos. Now, we're finna put these devil eggs together. We're gonna have one with the bacon. We're gonna have one with like the seafood with the shrimps, and we're gonna make a whole dozen of each. And I want y'all to be humble because Cooking General finna show y'all the first one. This is number one. Now y'all keep checking back because every time I do one, I'm gonna do all the way up to 12, and it's gonna get more unique and more unique. And then one day you're gonna be like, man, how did he do eggs like that? Keep watching. Cooking General. Ask somebody. All right, Cooking General. I got my eggs boiled. I got them already sliced out. I'm gonna do half of them with shrimp. I'm gonna do half of them with bacon. Okay, you just take your eggs. It's simple. You put your few pimientos in there. Let me get that out of there. There we go. Put some pimientos in there. How many you want? I want a little bit more in mine. Okay. Yeah, just a little salt. Take your little salt on it. You don't want to overdo it. A little black pepper. There. You add just some mayonnaise to it. Like that. Put your little mustard off in there. And then we're going to mix this up. Make sure we got enough. And then you just keep on adding and you start mixing, and then you add as you go until you get it to a nice good consistency, and then you do it. And I'm also add a little jalapenos in these too, because I like mine a little spicy. So get them jalapenos in there and get all of them out of there. You know me, I can't afford to leave nothing in there. Okay, I don't get paid to do this. So let's get this here going. We're gonna get the show on the road. I got the bacon in the oven. Bacon getting crisp, and I'm finna go put the shrimp on. Come on, I'm gonna show you how to do that there. Oh, come on, let me show you. Cooking General. Now we got the bacon, and the best thing to do, put your bacon in the oven on a cooking sheet. It gets it straight, it's crisp. We're gonna take that there, we're gonna crumble this bacon up. And you see there, I got it just right. That's the consistency you want right there. That's for your devil eggs. Now, for your shrimp part of it, I'm gonna put my shrimps on. Cut on just a little bit of medium, and you're gonna put you some butter off in there. And you're gonna melt this butter down, and then you wanna add your little garlic to it, because we're gonna put a little garlic on there. Right there. Then you want to add your little Parmesan cheese to it. Oh yes, Parmesan cheese cooked shrimp. Man, you talking about gonna be good. Ooh, I can smell. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be real good. Now we're gonna use half of them with bacon, half of them with shrimp. Now come back. I'm gonna show you how to put them together. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Cooking General here. Yeah, okay. Yeah. We're gonna put some, sprinkle you a little cayenne pepper on them. You want to put a little cayenne pepper on them like that there. Now, you can use paprika. I just want mine a little spicy. And you see I add a little bacon to mine like this here. These are the bacon ones. You just put your little bacon on there like that there. And this is the Parmesan and butter shrimp with garlic in it. And you just put them on there. You put 2 of them at a time on there. They're just small enough to get it. I mean, sometimes you might want to add 3 of them to it. And, if you want a little bit more shrimp, you can do that. I love shrimp. Just stick them in there like that. You find a little room, stick them in there. So, this is the first of 12 recipes I'm going to do with eggs. So, we got number 1 out of the way. So, we got 11 more to go. So, y'all keep on watching the Cooking General, because there's going to be 12 egg recipes that you can do. Anybody can do easy. And they're going to get more and more sophisticated, and some you never heard of before. So, keep watching Cooking General. All right. I'm tired of that, man. You cut it, I put all this shit together, now I'm going to watch it.